Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Local Learning. In this video we are going to solve ICSE Mathematics class 6 chapter 8 fundamental concepts exercise 8a question 1. Write the following phrases using symbols. Right, we've got these phrases and we have to write them using symbols. And how we do that? First of all, before starting, I'd like to tell you some things. We know about variables, right? Variables are nothing but alphabets that can have any value, right? They don't have any fixed value. You can use A, B, C, right? And then you can use X, Y, Z, and that's it. All the alphabets you can use, it doesn't matter, right? So they can take up any value that is assigned to them, right? Now see, how do we write them? They are written with a plus or minus sign before them or after them, right? See here, you have got the expression in words and you have to convert it back to the symbols, right? So it's just what I said right now, but this time here it is given in words. See, 8 more than P. So this means what? Wherever you find more than means plus, right? First one is 8 more than P, right? So 8 more than P, wherever we find more than, that means plus, right? And 8 more than P, so P is there, and in this we are adding 8, right? So this is what it means, P plus 8, okay? P plus 8. Then the sum of P and Q, very simple. Sum also means plus only, right? And P and Q are variables, so you write them in as order they are given, in whatever order they are given. P plus Q. 13 less than X. Wherever less than is given, that is minus, right? And when 13 less than X means, so first what number will come, which is written here in words second, that means X will come first in the expression, and then 13, so X minus 13, right? That becomes the expression. Then 10 times A. Now you can see, we know 10 times means what? Multiplication. So we have 10 into A, but generally in the algebra we don't write 10 into A. We don't use this cross symbol. Why? Because this cross symbol can get confused with the X, right? Both of them are same. If not this one, then we tend to make X like this, so both of them appear same, so you can get confused sometimes, right? So that is why what we do, there are many ways writing this, but I'll tell you a simple one. We'll discuss more ways later on. See, just write 10A. Don't write any sign in between. It is understood that you are multiplying. One more way is that you write 10 and then you write dot and then A, so 10 multiplied by A. Or you can write 10 and then A within bracket. You can do both of them within bracket, you can do any one in bracket as a long list. But the most simple way is this one, 10A simply. So write that down, right? 3/4 of A. So 3/4 of A. First of all, understand 3/4 means what? That 3 upon 4, right? 3/4 means 3 upon 4. Of A always means, of means multiplication. We have been learning so long. Wherever you see this word of, it means you have to multiply. Of A. So whatever is written of, you write it. Whatever it is written after of, you write it here after the multiplication sign. 3/4 into A. Again it is multiplication statement. So I said we don't write the X generally, we remove the X. So you have 3/4A, right? Simple. So this is what you get here, 3/4A. No need to write any sign in between, it is understood, it's multiplied. P divided by Q. So it's quite simple. You have Q here, you have P here, right? First P is being divided, so you will write that number down, and then it is being divided by Q, and since we are doing division, just write P divided by Q, division sign in between. So P divided by Q. T is greater than 12. So is greater than, we have learned this sign and this sign and this sign, right? So which one will we pick? This one. Greater than means whatever number we will write to the left hand side will be greater than to the number on the right hand side of this sign. So if I write T is greater than 12, is this true? Yes. So you can write it, T is greater than 12. 30 degrees less current temperature than less than current temperature T degrees Celsius, right? So your current temperature is T degrees, right? I'll write it here. So I have my current temperature as T, right? And this T, and it says 30 degrees less than T, right? So T minus 30. Now we have to also write the unit just for formality, so you can write degrees Celsius outside this bracket, right? This way your expression will come out to be right. Don't forget to write the unit. It is very important, and this expression is also quite important. You need to understand 30 degrees less than means subtraction. I said it here as well. So t minus 30, right? And friends, this is all for today. If you are new to my YouTube channel, do not forget to subscribe and leave a like on this one. Till then, take good care of yourselves and bye.